Three, two, one, go. Williams, Philippines. Uh, it is Thursday, December 18th at about 10:32 in the p.m. It's a little late at night. I got back home, laid down in my chair, and fell asleep. Been a very long day, uh, and I've been having a lot of long days. I've been out getting things, checking on prices and trying to find different places to live, different place to live and everything. A lot of moving around. Needless to say, on top of that, it's coming up Christmas time, and apparently, uh, you really want to give a Filipino a Christmas present, throw a sack of rice at them. Okay, maybe not throw it at them, but hand them a 5 kilo or a 10 kilo sack of rice, and yeah, they're happy. Rice is life. So we've been out doing, yeah, rice. I got a bunch of life in my house. uh, Tired. I went out and was, well, for the last like 4 days in a row, I've been out and about hard doing things outside, dealing with lots of people. The stores around here are crowded, and I mean really crowded. Uh, there's lines for sacks of rice. Sometimes you can't find rice, at least not in, yeah, because people are going out and buying things like this and this. Yeah. I was personally in a car today that had 8 sacks of rice, big sacks of rice. And yeah, that was the second trip. So, but I know that there's a bunch of people that are happy, going to enjoy getting to eat a lot. You know, Christmas has been a blessing to me because I've got to be a blessing to other folks. I was talking with somebody today about some of the differences between Christmas here and Christmas in America. Yeah, it's all compressed down and so commercialized there in America. Uh, Here they start in September, the Burr months September, October, November, December. You got plenty of time to go, hey, Merry Christmas. You got plenty of time to enjoy it. Take it slow and easy and enjoy it. I don't know, I think probably 5 different caroler groups that I've just walked up and put a few pesos in their hand. Yay, they're happy. Uh, Here, it's such a blessing to be here right now and doing Christmas here. Because, like I say, it's so commercialized and so run, 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 run. There's no real being thankful for the real reason, God in your life, Christ touching you, being family. I don't care which way you go on what you think of God. That's your problem. You know, what happens between your left ear, your right ear, your heart, head, and God is you. Deal with it. Don't go messing with other people because, it's not your department. It's not my job to try to tell somebody else how to live their life. I don't try to do that. I try to live my life and enjoy my life and try to be a blessing to those that I can be. But I can tell you, I got home, I sat down, and I fell asleep. I had food on the counter. It's okay. Uh, a microwave for the rice, the air fryer for the fried chicken, and I warmed it up, ate, and came over here to do this. That's the problem. I've been so tired getting out and doing things and active. And when I'm not active, I actually crawl into to bed and try to rest because old man needs rest. No, I'm not as old as some. Uh, I'm going to be going to a birthday party for an old man, somebody I call an old man, 82. So if you're catching this, it's happy birthday, Lolo. Uh, yeah, 82. Oh my gosh, I'm 62. I hope I make it as old as he is. I'd be quite happy to do that. Uh, but yeah, out enjoying life, living, being with friends and the community. And I've had a lot of conversations over the last few couple of weeks. I mean, seriously, and with all the things I've been out doing, it's like part of me sees these little multi-cab trucks, and I like them. Then I see a multi-cab minivan, I like it. And then I see the ADV, Honda ADV, or those, and I like those. Part of me is trying to decide what to do with that. Do I get a high end bike and just go with that? Do I get a low end multi cab and get a cheap bike and go with that, or do I just get a cheap multi cab or a mid range multi cab? I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. I haven't decided yet. Uh, but yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry I've been not here much. Yes, Kuya Dave, I am still alive and kicking. I'm just tired and I'm not kicking real high, and my butt's dragging a bit. But man, I'm having fun. Uh, yeah, we're gonna have to try to remember, you know, that living is, God's gift to us is choice. You can choose to live or you can choose to die. You can choose to be good or bad. You can choose to accept him or not. And, believe it or not, everything is your choice. So if you don't want to, well, the most you're going to get from that department is my child, follow your brother home. The most you're going to get from brother is my brother, my sister, follow me home to daddy. But they'll still let you walk through the gate, making bad choices all the way. Believe me, I've made my share of bad choices. Tried to explain that to somebody, and I think they understood where I was coming from. I'm not sure if it tarnished their view of me or not, but again, not my department. I have no reason to want to lie to somebody about who I was or what I did. I wasn't a good person when I was younger. I admit that. I've become a better person. So, yeah, work on yourself. It's the only person you can really work on. And if you're working on somebody else, most likely you're damaging them. See, I'm not a brain surgeon. Again, can't peel it open, stick a screwdriver in, scramble it, and fix them. I can't find the magic switch that makes them think better. But I can reach up here and go clickety, 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 click, flip my switches, and think better, respond better. Not respond at all. That sometimes pisses people off. They think they're going to get you all riled up and mad. And you just look at them and say, bye. Their problem. Uh, yeah, I probably need to walk closer to a razor. Need a haircut too. Life goes on. Anyway, may you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a very merry and blessed Christmas and New Year's. Remember Christ in Christmas. That's what it's about. And remember to live it. Be the better you. Because that's what you really want to do is, accept God's there. Say, hey, brother, drag me home. And then work on becoming the better you to improve your life. And you'll be surprised how much improving your life helps improve other people's lives. Just saying, it is what it is. Anyway, this is William, Williams Philippines. I'm Fish. Uh, Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Let me tell you, I got a lot of food. Yeah, those things ain't light. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. I'm out.